arborvitae for those pictures. And there's actual green things on trees. It's very exciting.
I don't think Audrey's ever successfully put on pants. She's getting a good show of it here, though. Are you putting on those pants?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, hi. No, you don't need it. Do you have a lot to say? Audrey, what did you do today? Right? Audrey, do you know any songs? Nice fart.
What about sleeping bunnies?
Yeah.
Can you do sleeping bunnies?
Yeah.
Okay, turn around and show Daddy. Turn around. See the bunny sleeping till it's nearly noon. Come, let us wake them with a happy tune. Oh, so still are they ill. Wake up, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Wake up, little bunnies, hop, 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 hop. Wake up, little bunnies, hop and stop. Show Daddy, hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop. Wake up, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. How about Itsy Bitsy? Can you do Itsy Bitsy? Here's what
This is long enough for one video.
Oh.
It's already almost 2
Okay,
minutes.
say bye-bye then.
Bye-bye, Audrey. Do you want to give a kiss? Okay, give the camera a kiss.
Daddy, I don't kiss inanimate objects. Unless they're dolls.
Say bye-bye.